So welcome to NammaKPSC. Today we'll see the questions based on partnership. So partnership is directly an application of a ratio. So the ratio the complete application. So nodana. I started business by investing rupees 3,000. After 4 months, B joined him with the capital of 2,400. At the end of year, B's profit share is 1,600. What is the total profit of the business? Okay. A and B ibru business alli idare. A 3,000 invest ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. B has invested 2,400. ನೋಡಿ, in any business, the profit distribution depends on two factors. ಒಂದು investment and also the time. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಮಂತ್ಸ್? 12 months. ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್, ಎ 12 months ವರೆಗೂ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 4 months ಬಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 months ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Out of 12 months, 4 months illa andre, which is 8. So now see, 2 zeros get cancels. 12 1 times, 12 2 times, 2 1 times, 2 15 times. So this is what 15:8. So namge alli B share kottidare. According to question, B has received 1,600. Ratio prakara avanige 8 parts barabeku, profit alli 8 parts. Avaru kelta irodu what is the total profit? Total profit andre ಎಷ್ಟು? 15 plus 8, which is 23. 8 1 times, 8 2 times, 23 into 2 is 4,600. So which is 4,600, option A. Next, A started a business with 32,000. After 4 months, B joins him with a business by investing 48,000. At the end of the year, in what ratio should the share be their profit? So this again same, A and B. A has invested 32,000. B has invested 48,000. At the end of year andre, A was there for 12 months. B was not there for 4 months. 4 months irlilla andre, it is 8. So 3 zeros, here also 3 zeros. 12 1 times, 12 4 times. 48,000 into 8 months, correct? Yes. 4 1 times and 4 8 times, which is 8 and 8. In a year, it is 190. Yeah. Profit has to be distributed in 1:1. Now see, Jasti invest madidrunu, how did we get? Now see, what happens there? 32,000 invest madiradu. Is it A started a business after 4 months, B joined? Yeah. So which is 12. B joined him with 48,000. Just investment is there, but he was there only for what? After 4 months means 8 months he'll be there. So 0 0 12 1 times, 12 4 times. So 4 1 times 4 8 times, which is 1:1. Profit equal age distribute agata. Why? Because all those investment is more on 4 months illa. A working partner gets 25% as his commission after his commission. After his commission paid, that is equal to 7,500. Then what is the total profit? So avane 25% commission bandide. So 25% andre 25 by 100. 100 alli 25 avane commission bandide. So andre 7,500. 25% 7,500 andre what is total profit? 100 value estu? This should be simple. 25 1 times, 25 3 times. So this is 3,000,000. So which is 30,000.